Hi there, Will Hill Climb Racing 2 fans. This is Darren the Gamer on my YouTube channel here, bringing some more Hill Climb 2 racing. Let's go check out our cups here. We are going to go race for 10 wins to get our red chest tonight, so let's get going on our racing here. We're going to take our rally car with winter wheels, wings, and a magnet. See how we do here. Seemingly not very far in the lead yet. I'm not going to win either. Third place. Okay. All right. It's all uphill from here because that was not impressive. Got my perfect start there. Looked like it was going to be really close, but they gave it to me. Wow, whatever that car is, it's not working for us. All right. Okay. Doing a little better there. We got to win. And that guy got second, so he's going to win the cup. All right. So we got one race win. Not so impressive so far. All right. Cup in the woods. Let's go hit this hard and see what we can do. A little bit of Forbidden Forest action here. Wonder why we're taking so long to find it. There we go. Perfect start action there. And a second win. All right. Now we're moving here, guys. Just short of my perfect start. All right. Win number 3. Second for this one. I was way late on the perfect start. Hit the gas altogether wrong. See if we can still get a win here. All right, so we got 3 wins out of this one. Excellent. We got the cup win. Up to 4. Little finger travels on the tidal waves here. Short of my perfect start. You can get a light touch of the back wheels on those little ripples. I do believe that is the fastest way to get by them if you're not in a position to fly over them. And we got a win. All right, good news. That's win number 5, I believe. If you were along for the ride yesterday, you heard that I was making salsa while I was driving, letting it cook in the pot. So just let everybody know that salsa turned out just nice. Now we got second place. Okay. So yeah, it turned out really good. So leave a thing in the comments. Let me know what you were up to. Nothing going on tonight, just racing. Thinking about having a guest driver on my channel, maybe even as early as tonight. Oh, see that there? That was cheap. Uh, All right, so we get the cup win. That's good, but we only got one race win. We're up to 5. Let's do a little highway racing here. Missed my perfect start. Don't have any room to do anything dumb, and then even then the EV came past me. Oh, how do you do that? All right, perfect start on this one. Keep her cool in the cave there. And there we go for win, I believe number 6. Not the perfect start again. And we get the win. And the cup. All right, so we got 7. We're on the boggy road next. Be nice to get all 3 of them out of here. A lot of EVs going on, so we're either going to probably beat them all or lose to them all. Second place by 17 1,000ths of a second. See, that's the ones where on other videos I've said, wow, that was so close. Sure glad I won that. Well, in this case, I lost it by that much, which is tragic. That shouldn't happen. Don't they know who I am? Yeah, they do. That's why. And then second place again. Okay, so not only am I not getting all the 3 I needed out of this cup, I am not even winning any. Okay, maybe we get 1. All right, got 1 win here. Got the cup win, which is always good. Oh, I got 2 wins in that one. Did I? I don't remember that. It's almost like they gave me that first one that I lost, didn't they? I bet if I watch that back, I didn't win 2. Uh-oh, we got a motorcycle. If he can stay alive on that, he's probably got a good chance of beating the rally car. Then we got the hot rod, which I never do understand how that ever goes fast. Seems like that thing's just out to blow the engine all the time. Maybe I just need to spend a bunch of money and get my hot rod maxed out. A lot of ways to go on this one still. Oh, and then I screw up like that. How can these guys not beat me now? I feel bad for them if they, maybe they glitched out, did a bad driving thing too. All right, that should be win number 10. We get our cup win, our race win, 10 on the chest here, 5,000 for playing, some spare parts. Awesome. All right, a little team update here. I got 616 km on the week so far. I've got basically 1 day to go. So I need to pump that to like 750, don't I, guys? Anyways, thanks for coming along for the ride. And subscribe to my channel if you don't mind. I'd love to have you. And we'll see you in the next race.